Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from RBC to cibc. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started, first thing to do is to access the RBC online banking or the mobile app, then log into your RBC online banking account or open the RBC mobile app, then navigate to interact key transfer in the RSPC mobile app, then tap on the move money and select send and interact key transfer. Then from there in the RBC online banking, go to the quick payment and tap transfer section and choose the interact key transfer from the online banking. Then add a recipient details, which involves the recipient. If the recipient is not already added, select add to enter their names, email address or phone number. Then once that is confirmed, then input the amount you wish to send and send a security questions and answer that only the recipient will know. Then after that, carefully review all details to ensure accuracy, then confirm and send the transfer, and that's how to send money from RBC to cibc. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more.